unless it rains. Okay, I'm going to work in the garden this afternoon unless it rains. I will be back in the evening unless there is a bus strike. Okay, see, unless means if not. Okay, unless means what? If not. Okay, the taxman will get you if you don't pay the tax. If, okay, the taxman will get you if you don't pay the tax. Dash, you start now, you will not reach there in time. Unless you start now, you will not reach there in time. Okay, unless. Dash, I have enough time tomorrow, I will come and see you. If I have enough time tomorrow, I will come and see you. Okay, yes. Rashvi, I still cannot see you better. Yes, now it is visible. Prisha, I cannot see you. Okay. Then snake bites can be deadly. Deadly, okay? It was highly amusing program. I have watched a lot of interesting movies lately. Understood? Okay, now tell me, what are they doing in your school, online students? Here, what are they doing in your school?
My childhood.
My childhood. Hetvi, what are they doing in your school?
Sir, my childhood.
My childhood. Diya Modi?
Ishwaran the storyteller.
Ishwaran the storyteller. Okay, they've already begun with this. I think we are left with Ishwaran, right?
No, sir, we have done.
We have done.
Okay. Okay, Ishwaran the storyteller is done. Take out the notebook and pen quick.
Sir,
Yeah,
I've got my half
you got your mark.
yearly syllabus.
How many?
No, sir, I got syllabus, half yearly.
When is it going to begin? Half yearly exam?
Sir, first is English, 20th September.
20th September. And we have done the syllabus. Have they given you the syllabus, Beta?
Yes, sir. Beehive chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Poem 1, 2, 3, 5.
Have you done all of
From
them?
Moments chapter 1, 2. Yes, sir,
Have
we
you
have
done
done
all
all.
of them?
Yes,
And is it to be subjective or objective based?
sir, both.
Both. Okay. So Google form, objective based, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
20 marks will be of Google form exam. Or 30.
40 marks objective and 40 marks subjective.
Oh, fine. No issue.
And they are telling probably we are going to give offline exam.
Okay. See, today we are going to, first of all, practice question tags. Do you know question tags?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Just a minute, okay?
In grammar, we are having gap filling, editing, dialogue writing, and informal letter on a situation or descriptive paragraph, person, story writing.
Okay.
Sir, my English exam is on 16th September.
16th September, syllabus is given.
Yes, sir, but we have completed all.
Okay, fine.
And sir, it is 40 marks objectives only, half yearly.
40 marks objectives. So are they going to ask you in the form of MCQ or fill in the gaps or what have they given you?
Sir, they are asking Google form.
But what in
Sir,
adjective
both
like?
MCQs and filling the blanks.
Okay.
Sir, my exam, English exam is on
Is on
18th September.
18th September.
Yes, sir. And sir, I think we have not done subject verb agreement. In my syllabus, it is there.
Subject verb agreement is remaining. It should be the first thing that might have done. I think it must have been done, beta. Because subject verb agreement ke baad hi we begin with normal.
Sir, first thing we have done is tenses.
Okay, see, just a minute.
Sir, is subject verb agreement and subject verb concord same?
Yeah, same thing. Okay, so I'll share you the screen if you're able to see it. Okay. First of October. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
See, if you will
Yes.
see, though it may have half description in Hindi, but it gives you a clear picture. The verb that agrees with the subject, that is subject and verb agreement. And we have been doing it since we were in grade 6 or 5. Okay, like say for example, I am playing. Okay, so this is an example. I am playing. So am is a verb. Okay, and it suits with I. You cannot say we am playing, right? That's where the verb doesn't agree with the subject. Okay, so I am playing, they are playing, we are playing, he is playing. Okay, so this is what subject verb agreement is. Now you see, I wish I were the prime minister. Were he a king? She ordered as if she were my mother. I wish I were a bird. Were she an eagle, she would fly to me. If I were you, I would kill him. See, basically, it is all about what kind of verb form, it should have. Okay, maybe have, has, maybe had, maybe, am, is, are, maybe was, were, anything. See, when the subject is plural, definitely it does matter. Okay, the scheme and plan of my life differs that from yours. The series example, see, now here the subject is plural. The scheme and plan of my life differs. Now here the verb form changes because of the second subject, that is singular, plan. Okay, his authority and command is indeed great. His authority and command is verb, subject is authority and command. Okay, that means here subject agrees with the verb. Okay, that is what subject verb agreement is. The benefit and advantage from this business is enormous. Okay, you and me will do the wonders together. So you and me, what is the verb here? Will, helping verb. Okay, do the wonders together. So do is also principal verb. So that means you and me are subject. And we both agree on will do. That is verb. Understood, beta, online students? Are
Yes,
able to
sir.
get it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Example, bread and butter is a good breakfast. Write down these examples. Bread and butter is a good breakfast. Bread and butter is a good breakfast. Next, early to bed, comma, what repeat? Bread and butter. Early to bed, comma, early to rise. Early to bed, comma, early to rise is a good habit. See, here in the first example, bread and butter is a subject, but they are individually mentioned. That's why we are keeping is. Understood? In second example, if you see early to bed and early to rise is entirely a subject. Okay, is a good habit. It is entirely taken as a single role. Understood? Just a minute. Just a minute, guys. Okay. Can you see the screen, dear students?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next is slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race. So underline wins and slow and steady together. पहले slow and steady को underline करो and then individually you underline wins. These are the examples of subject and verb agreement. Here we only talk about the word. Understood? Nothing else. Pen and ink is needed by me. Pen and ink is needed by me. Now understand next example. No man or woman was present there. So no man and woman, that is a singular noun. Was is individually a verb. Was. So no man or woman was present there. This is an example. So likewise, you have subject and verb agreement. Another example you write down, either Sita or Ram was present in the party. Either Sita or Ram was present in the party. I hope you all are also writing the example, you students.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Either Sita or Ram was present in the party. Written?
No, sir.
Was present
sir.
there. Yes. Neither he, next, neither he nor she is responsible for this loss. Is responsible for this loss.
Sir, in exam, how it will be asked?
They'll ask you in the form of fill in the blanks.
Okay.
Okay, and it cannot be more than 2 marks or 3 marks. It will be very much there in the form of MCQ. Okay, and they are definitely going to ask you in the objective based, and this cannot fetch more than 3 marks maximum. So just take care of have, has, had, am, is, are, was, were, and subjects. That is what the subject and agreement is. Understood, beta? It's a clear basic funda. Usage of am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had with different subjects that you have. Understood? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bolo.
Yes, sir.
neither he nor she के बाद क्या था, मैंने वर्कशीट बंद कर दिया. Can you repeat the sentence, Vasu? Neither he nor she
Neither
Is
he nor
responsible for
she
his loss.
is
responsible.
for the loss. Understood? Angel? Chalo, great. See now, what happened? Yes. What are the writing topics that you have, dear students, in your syllabus?
Sir, story writing, short story writing.
Short story writing. Anything else?
Descriptive paragraph portion.
I am having informal letter,
Descriptive paragraph.
story writing.
Sir, in objective, how the informal letter will be asked?
Okay. All right. So we'll do one thing. We will be doing prepositions practice today. Okay, so give heading as prepositions. Quick. All right, chalo fatafat beta. Prepositions. Give heading prepositions and write down the heading. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. With appropriate prepositions. Yes. Fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. Number 1. Ram killed the snake. Ram killed the snake. Dash a stick. A stick. S-T-I-C-K. Next. He lives dash Alwar. He lives dash Alwar. A capital A-L-W-A-R. Alwar. It's the name of a place. Alwar. Next. Alwar. Next. Rice is selling. Rice is selling dash 5 rupees a kilo. 5 rupees a kilo. Next. His car ran dash a dog. His car ran dash a dog. A dog. Next. He assured, A-S-S-U-R-E-D. He assured, A-S-S-U-R-E-D, assured to stand dash me in all circumstances. In all circumstances. C-I-R-C-U-M-S-T-A-N-C-E-S. Yeah. Dash me me, in all circumstances. In all circumstances. Next. I will stand dash. I will stand dash for my right. For my rights. Next. He put dash. He put dash a coat, COAT, a coat of red color. Red color. He put dash a coat of red color, COAT, of red color. Next. He is proud. He is proud dash his riches. Dash his riches. RICHES. Next. He lives dash Mumbai, M capital. Next. Mumbai. Next. In general, comma, acids act, acids, ACIDS, acids act dash metals, dash metals. Next. Ram was beaten. Ram was beaten, 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 dash by Mohan for no reasons. Dash by Mohan for no reasons. Next. He sat dash the ground. He sat dash the ground. Stop. Next. He fell the tree, FELL. He fell the tree dash an X, AXE, dash an X, AXE, full stop. Fall from the tree? Fell the tree dash an X, AXE, full stop. Next. An epidemic broke, EPIDEMIC, an epidemic broke dash in the town last year. In the town last year, full stop. Last. I called dash last. I called dash her from a distant place. I called dash her from a distant place. Full stop. Write your answers strictly with pencils. Okay. Then we'll discuss the answers. Shall we start discussing the answers now? Completed? Okay, so what is the first sentence? With a stick, correct. Answer is with a stick. Number two. He lives at Alwar. At. At is the correct answer. At Alwar. Next, number 3. Huh? At. Again, at is the correct answer. आपने नहीं लिखा था एंजल? अच्छा, okay. Ran. Kiran ran over. 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 Okay. Number 5.
With.
Stand by me. By. You're sure to stand by me. By. Number 6. I stand up. I'll stand up for my rights. Up. मैं मेरे rights के लिए खड़ा रहूंगा. I will stand for my rights. Stand up. Next. On. On is the correct answer. Okay. On. Next. Proud. Off. Off is the correct answer. Yes. Next. In Mumbai. Next. Acid acts on matter. On matter. On. On आएगा. बेटा ये fan off कर दो. It is there. Thank you. Next.
By Mohan.
Beaten up. Beaten up. Up is the answer. Beaten up. It's number 11, right? Now number 12. On.
On.
On. Next. Fell the tree with an axe. Next. Broke out. 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 Broke out. Okay. Next. Last one, right?
Up.
Called out. Called out. Understood? Any doubts? So let us do one more exercise. Huh? Rachna Sagar, eh? You have got Rachna Sagar with you? Dipti, here, Diya,
Yes, sir.
Rashmi, Vasu, Adyan, Hetvi.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I don't have.
Who doesn't have?
Diya Modi.
Why Diya?
Sir, I have asked my center head for
Who is your center head?
Sonia ma'am.
So you are from Ghatlodi branch.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And what about who else is not having it?
I know.
Vasu.
Yes, sir.
Why you don't have it, Beta? You also have told your center head.
No, sir, I am not told, but it is from Ghatlodia.
Ghatlodia, right?
Sir, I will go.
So Ghatlodia, I think it is Sonia ma'am, right? Okay.
Yes.
And who else has not got the Rachna Sagar? Your mother is not at home. So how does it make a difference, Angel? You are in hurry. You come on your bicycle? then हाँ, तो फिर अब जिनके पास नहीं है बेटा, so we cannot do right. See, उसमें tenses का topic होगा. Take out the tenses topic, dear students, in your Rachna Sagar. There will be an integrated exercise. See, और एक tense की individual, हाँ वही है. क्या देख रहे हो बे? यहाँ से मुझे दिख रहा है, आपको नहीं दिख रहा है. हाँ, दूर की दृष्टि कम है कि नजदीक वाली? देखो अलग अलग टेंस की अलग अलग एक्सरसाइज दी है. It starts from certain places. Could you find it? है कि नहीं? एक सॉल्व एग्जाम्पल होगा और एक अनसॉल्व होगा. देखो, है ना? पता है ना? अरे रे रे, आपकी नई वाली होगी ना, संदीप पटेल वाली है ना? और इसमें रचना सागर लिखा होगा पहले पहले. वो भी संदीप पटेल वाली, हाँ वो पुरानी एडिशन होगी. हाँ तो आप में शायद इंटीग्रेटेड होगा. देखो आप में है ना, सिर्फ एक्सरसाइज ही दी होगी, सॉल्व वाली नहीं दी होगी, पूरी अनसॉल्व ही होगी, है ना? पता है ना? यहाँ पे कितने लोग ऐसे हैं ऑनलाइन के जिनके पास पुरानी वाली है या नई वाली है? दिया मोदी
ये
बस
पुरानी है या
वाली है।
नहीं?
हाँ
सर ये
देखो,
पुरानी है या नहीं, मुझे नहीं
फिर
पता.
इसमें सॉल्व वाली होगी ना, वो पुरानी है. जिसमें डायरेक्टली अनसॉल्व एक्सरसाइज है ना, वो नई वाली है. Could you find it here?
Yes sir, it is solved.
हाँ, so that means you have the older one. See, there is no basic difference. Okay, so relax. But the newer one doesn't have the solved exercise. The older one does have. That's the only difference. Okay? Because ये जब बन रही थी तब हम थे, है ना? जब पहली बार इंट्रोड्यूस हुई थी ना ये संदीप सर के क्लास में, तब हम थे. चलो, so what we'll do is, अच्छा वासु के पास नहीं है, दिया मोदी के पास नहीं है, आपके पास कोई लोकल ग्रामर बुक है कि वो भी नहीं है? तो दिया मोदी आप इंग्लिश तक पहुंचे कैसे यहाँ तक?
नहीं सर, मतलब स्कूल की है.
वासु आपके पास है?
मैंने सर वो मेरे पास कोई
आपके लोगों के लिए मैं एक्सक्लूसिवली एक वर्कशीट डिस्प्ले करता हूँ, ठीक है ना, टेंसेस की.
यस सर.
देखो बाकी लोगों के पास जिनके पास ये है, ठीक है, यू कैन स्टार्ट विथ 2 एक्सरसाइज. वी आर टारगेटिंग टिल 7:30. ओके, कोई भी टेंस ले लो, ठीक है, टेंस तो टेंस ही है ना? यू टेक एनी 2 टेंसेस, डिफरेंट टेंसेस, ठीक है, एक ही टेंस की 2 एक्सरसाइज मत करना. यू टेक 2 डिफरेंट टेंस and take 2 separate exercises. Okay, and for those who don't have Rachna Sagar, I will provide you my tense worksheet, don't worry. हाँ, unsolved solved करके क्या करोगे? जो ऑलरेडी सॉल्व है ना, उनको आपकी जरूरत नहीं है. जो अनसॉल्व है, इट रिक्वायर्स
Sir, we
you.
have to write questions also.
आपकी मर्जी, लिखो ना लिखो एक ही है. What do you say? You want to write it or not? हाँ ठीक है, तो अब लिखेंगे, ठीक है. दिया मोदी, you'll have to wait for a while. ठीक है, बोलो. आपके पास भी नहीं है, और यहाँ पे 2 है कि 1? वहां पे 2 है, तो ये ले लेना, मुझे क्या चाहिए फिर? मैं तो कर चुका हूँ बहुत.
I also don't have.
कौन है ये?
Dipti.
तो मैं डिस्प्ले कर रहा हूँ ना वर्कशीट, रो मत, मैं हूँ, ठीक है. I'll share the screen, don't worry. ठीक है, उन सब के लिए मैं हूँ जिनके पास रचना सागर नहीं है, ठीक है. थोड़ा पेशेंस रखो, कीप पेशेंस. कैन यू सी इट? देखो जूम करने की जिम्मेदारी आपकी, ठीक है ना, मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा यहाँ से.
Sir, we have to write questions also or direct answers?
नहीं, you can directly answers, okay, here. Okay,
Okay, sir.
यस, इनको बताओ बेटा जरा कि कौन सी स्लाइड। हाँ वही, गॉट इट एंजल। चलो चले, तो मजदूरी करनी है तो करो। पूछ लेते तो मैं ना बोलता, पूछा ही नहीं आप शुरू से। टेंस कौन सा है? प्रेजेंट में कौन सा?
Sir, clean.
अरे यार, why dash you dash like moose? Why do you like moose? चलो चलो शुरू करो। सॉल्व नहीं, अनसॉल्व करना है। नहीं, वो अनसॉल्व में आंसर्स नहीं है, यहाँ पे है। Do one thing, online students, you take the screenshot. Those who are doing na, you take the screenshot. Then I'll close the screen. Let me know once you're done taking screenshot. Vasu, Diya, Dipti. Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay. Dipti, Diya, done.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sharing now. Okay. हाँ, जी जब भी बी होता है ना, तो याद एम इज आर वॉज में से एक होता है, याद रखने का, ठीक है। जब भी ब्रैकेट में बी हो, तो आंसर में या तो एम इज आर या तो वॉज, इन पांच में से कोई एक आएगा। वॉज वेयर, फिर देखने का टेंस कौन सा है, तो एम इज आर आएगा। फ्रेज इफ इट इज प्रेजेंट देन यू विल हैव एम इज आर, इफ इट इज पास्ट देन यू विल हैव वॉज और वेयर। अंडरस्टूड? यस एंजल। हेल्प ही आएगा, आई हेल्प, सेम आएगा, सेम। हेल्प टेंस कौन सा है? सिंपल, तो बरोबर। अगर सिंपल पास्ट होता तो हेल्प हो जाता, ईडी। नहीं देखने का। I appreciate. यार जब बड़े होते हैं ना तो एक ऑनेस्टी क्वालिटी डेवलप होती है या होनी चाहिए, ठीक है ना। अब छोटे तो होने के मैं को नहीं, बुक रख दो, हाथ रख दो, बिना देखे लिखना है ना। ये तो छोटे बच्चों को कहते हैं। यू आर ग्रोन अप नाउ, यू नो व्हाट इज राइट एंड व्हाट इज रॉन्ग. If you will try to cheat, you are cheating your own self. You're not cheating me or any teacher. You know that, right? You can take decisions wisely. You don't need me or any teacher. It completed?
No, sir, in my laptop it is not responding like that comment. That's why I checked.
तो ऐसा क्या करते हो आप लैपटॉप पे पूरा दिन, तो आप हैंग हो जाता है। हाँ, गेम मत खेलो, म्यूजिक मत सुनो,
Sir, I don't play.
है ना। हाँ, वेरी गुड। पूरा आंसर ही लिखेगी, पूरी ब्लैंक लिखी। हाँ, ये दूसरी एक्सरसाइज करो। समझ में आया? लोचा मत मारना ना, पता चले यू आस्क मी। See, those you, if you don't understand any question or sentence, please don't write incorrect ones, okay? Feel free to ask. Over confidence में मत जाना। Aryan, do you have Rachna Sagar with you? Is it the older one or the
Yes,
new
sir.
one?
Older.
Okay, fine. So I'm sure you are doing the unsolved ones, right? Okay, fine. Hmm. The tense, which tense is it? You tell me first. Our cook is. Let me know once you are done with 2 exercises, okay? You stop there. And try to see those Gatlodia students, please try to grab the, Rachna Sagar as
Yes.
early as possible so that we can sail on the same boat, everyone. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Okay, sir.
Are. मैंने क्या बोला? Apples are good. बी का फॉर्म है, से टू बी के फॉर्म्स होते हैं, एम इज आर वाज वर। अगर बी भी देते हो दैट इज इंडायरेक्टली द फॉर्म। बी मींस फॉर्म। देखो कई दफा क्या होता है कि यू नो बी फॉर्म्स होते हैं, बी बीन बिन और बीइंग इज अ प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस। सो कई दफा बी इटसेल्फ इज टेकन एज अ वर्ब। यहाँ पे तो चलो एज अ फॉर्म है, बट कई दफा बी इज आल्सो टेकन एज अ फॉर्म। हाँ, it's okay. See, like say for example, I have been there. मैं वहाँ पे जा चुका हूँ। I have been there. Been means क्या? यहाँ पे been is a verb. I have been there. मैं वहाँ पे जा चुका हूँ. Understood? So the cases में been is taken as a verb, but here it is a form. Okay? Done? Any doubts? Any queries? आ गया सब कुछ? Intelligent? So next time, shall I take the exam of tenses, dear students, online and offline?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Online
Yes,
versus offline. Online versus offline. बोलो करते कुछ ऐसा?
Yes, sir.
ये offline वाले लोग बोल रहे कि online वाले डरते हैं। ये offline वाले लोग बोल रहे कि online वाले लोग डरते हैं। क्या बोल रहे हो? डरते हो कि नहीं डरते हो? नहीं डरते हो ना?
सर उन लोगों ने
तो
ऐसा
बोल-
बोला ही नहीं है, हमें पता है।
Yes.
अरे मेरे कान बोल के।
टेस्ट के दिन पता चलेगा कौन किससे डरता
अरे देखो तो फिर नेक्स्ट टाइम वी आर कीपिंग ऑनलाइन वर्सेस ऑफलाइन। ठीक है, रेडी? देखो ऑनलाइन वालों की वर्कशीट अलग होगी और ऑफलाइन वालों की वर्कशीट अलग होगी। ठीक है ना? तो दोनों के चैलेंजेस इक्वली हो। ठीक है, देखते हैं कौन कितना पानी में, ऑनलाइन वाले की ऑफलाइन। ठीक है ना? चलो, so that's it for today. I hope you don't have any queries for your verb exercise. ठीक है, चलो बाय, टेक केयर।
बाय।
Bye, sir.
Bye.